Okay, so now after finishing recording all of the videos, now you have to select check videos, because here you will then have like three choices. First one is, if you want to play the video, you have to check what did you recorded. uh, you can do anything here while you checking the video, and then you can delete a video if you, for example, found that a video is not good, you want to record this again or something like that, you can delete it from here, the sign of deleting. And if everything is okay, you just send all of them. It will ask you that if you want to upload the file, so we'll say yes, and then the files are all sent to the AI software to prepare the AI diagnosis.